Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Just taking a look here at the slightly zoomed out chart picture. The idea is that ADA still risks getting another low with quite a decent percentage drop, maybe to around about 17 cents, if not lower. This remains my view as long as price cannot impulsively break first above 30.4 cents and then also take out 38.5 cents. It would really need 38.5 to be taken out in order to remain to get back into bullish mode here, because unfortunately obviously ADA broke below bullish support and put a new low in place, and so far the move that happens seems to be just a consolidation in a wave 4 which needs one or two more lows, in contrast to Bitcoin, Ethereum, which possibly could have completed their correction that started in April, might get one more low, one more minor new low, but then could have finished their correction. So either the low is in for Bitcoin, Ethereum pending confirmation, or they might need one more low, whereas on many altcoins including ADA, it seems to me that they need quite another, at least one or two more lows, and we do not really have the potential at the moment that the low is in. I mean, it can always be, but it needs some evidence. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum just has higher probabilities in my opinion that a low is in at this stage. So just highlighting that. That's basically very generalized, but it's sort of true for the altcoin sector at the moment. If we compare that in terms of structure to ADA, most need another low or two more lows, whereas Bitcoin, Ethereum could have completed their corrections as explained yesterday and on Discord earlier today and yesterday as well. But of course, things can change quickly in crypto. That's why we are always up to date here. The idea is that we're obviously coming down in this fifth wave now. It sort of failed to come down impulsively, so I've made a small change in wave count here to reflect the sideways action that might be going on, because explained it in the last video that it could be that wave 4 is still unfolding either as a flat pattern, because that means that it goes a little higher in 3 waves, because it still has space in this resistance area. Here the standard Fibonacci resistance for wave 4 is 30.4 cents. So I'm currently looking at the option of either a triangle or maybe a flat pattern. Yeah, it has failed to rally, or not to rally, but to break down impulsively, so far at least. However, if it breaks below the B wave low here at 25.4 cents, it should really break down further. Okay, it should really break down further into the direction of 20 and then 17 cents. But for now, also because it's weekend, we often see weekend triangles. It is fairly likely, in my opinion, that it's going to put in this lower high, higher low structure, maybe for the next couple of days. We will see. It's going to be interesting. If it pushes above the A wave high, which is at 29 cents, then the triangle as it is invalidated, and it might just put in a higher wave 4. It needs to show us 5 waves up and 3 waves down to have a clear indication that a low has formed here. Until then, the downtrend is ongoing. Okay, so it needs to show us some kind of a reversal confirmation. Don't get me wrong, it made a new low, so it's now time to wait for a reversal signal. Anything else is just sort of very, very speculative. Always try to base it on a reversal signal, because only then you can measure your risk correctly. I mean, now where would the risk be? Obviously you could, if you want to, anybody who wants to trade this long can go long with a stop loss below the 10th of June low. Now, I'm not telling you to do this. This will be your own decision. But the reason that I'm still waiting for another low is that off this low, I haven't seen an impulse and I haven't seen any move that's sort of big enough in magnitude, yeah, bullish enough in magnitude to indicate that a low is in. So it's not enough to change trend here at the moment. And to be fair, this can be counted as a correction and the move down as well. So I'm looking at the option of a triangle in which each of the subwaves is corrective. So yeah, there's not much more to add. All the levels should be known. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.